Chinese company Xiaomi continues with its strategy of filling the market with devices that cover all ranges in the midst of a brilliant internationalization process, in which several stores are already open throughout Spain. Last July, the manufacturer presented the renewal of its recently released bestseller on the market, and now Xiaomi officially brings to Spain its latest flagship cell phone that boasts design and photographic equipment, the Mi 8. Features Xiaomi Mi 8 display, 6.25 inches, resolution 2248 x 1080 pixels processor, Snapdragon 845 storage, 64 GB / 128 GB RAM, 6 GB main camera, double 12 and 12 megapixels front camera, 20 megapixels operating system, Android 8.1 Oreo plus MIUI 9 battery, 3400 mAh. One of the remarkable things in this cell phone is that it is the first model of the company that incorporates notch on the screen, which reaches a diagonal of no less than 6.25 inches, with an aspect ratio of 18:9. The model boasts photographic equipment and arrives with a dual camera in the back formed by two 12-megapixel sensors and a 20-megapixel front camera that promises to give us clear and bright selfies.